Dear students, today we discussed about the new theorem areas of similar triangles. Areas of similar triangles states that the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. It states that the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles means first we take the two triangles, similar triangles ABC and DEF, both are similar triangles. Okay, the data, okay, data means the statement consists of two parts, data and to prove areas of two similar triangles means the two triangles are similar is the data. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. The two triangles are similar, then sides are in proportion. Corresponding sides, the ratio of corresponding sides are in proportion and corresponding angles are equal. Means angle A is equal to angle D, angle B is equal to angle E, angle C is equal to angle F. And also AB by DE is equal to BC by EF is equal to AC by DF. Okay, is the data. Data means the two triangles are similar. Triangle ABC and is similar to triangle DEF. Then that means angle A is equal to angle D, angle B is equal to angle E, and angle C is equal to F. And also the ratio of corresponding sides are in proportion. AB by DE is equal to BC by EF is equal to AC by EF is the data. The second part, we have to prove that the ratio of areas of two similar triangles means ratio means divided by ratio of areas of two triangles. Area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DEF is equal to square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. We take BC and EF for the corresponding sides. BC by EF, okay, square of the ratio of corresponding sides is the to prove. Next, construction is need to prove the theorem. Therefore, the third part is construction. In these figures, we draw a perpendicular line from A to BC means AL perpendicular to BC and DM perpendicular to EF. Draw perpendicular lines AL perpendicular to BC and DM perpendicular to EF is the construction. The last part is proof. Okay, first we have to prove that ABL triangle and DEM triangles are similar or congruent. Okay, first we consider triangle ABL and triangle DEM. In both the triangles, angle B is equal to angle E by data. Angle B is equal to angle E by data. Similarly, angle L is equal to angle M is equal to 90 degree because of construction. Okay. When the corresponding two angles of one triangle is equal to corresponding two angles of other triangle, then the third angle must be equal. Therefore, these two triangles are said to be similar. Triangle ABL is similar to triangle DEM by equiangular property means AA similarity criteria. Similarity criteria means any two angles are equal, then these two triangles must be similar. Next, when the two triangles are similar, then it condition satisfied, their corresponding sides are in proportion, means AB by DE is equal to AL by DM. AL by DM is equal to BL by EM. It is not necessary. Therefore, we take only two ratios. AB by DE is equal to AL by DM. But in the data, AB by DE is equal to BC by EF. Okay. Therefore, by data. Okay. Therefore, AB by DE is common. Therefore, the remaining sides must be equal. Therefore, AL by DM is equal to BC by EF by axiom 1. The things which are equal to same thing are equal to one another. AB by DE is equal to AL by DM. AB by DE is also equal to BC by EF. Therefore, AL by DM is equal to BC by EF. Okay. Next, we take area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DA. Okay, we take LHS. We have to prove the theorem. Therefore, area of triangle ABC is half into base into height by half into base into height. Half cancel. Base is BC is the base, AL is the height for ABC triangle, means BC is the base, AL is the height. Similarly, EF is the base, DM is the height for DEF triangle. Okay. BC by EF into AL by DM. Okay. Already we proved that AL by DM is equal to BC by EF. Therefore, from 1 we take BC by EF into AL by DM means BC by EF, because AL by DM is equal to BC by EF, already proved. Therefore, BC into BC, BC square, EF into EF, EF square. Area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF is equal to BC square by EF square is the proof of the theorem. Okay. First we take area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF is equal to half into base into height by half into base into height. Half cancel. Base means in the triangle ABC, BC is the height, base, AL is the height. In the triangle DEF, EF is the base, DM is the height. BC into EF into AL by DM. Separate ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. BC by EF into AL by DM already proved. AL by DM is equal to BC by EF. Therefore, by substituting the value of AL by DM, we get BC by EF into BC by EF. We get BC square by EF square. Area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF is equal to BC square by EF square is the proof of the theorem.